In this demonstration, we're going to look at how to use the addition rule for probability in a simple statistics and probability question. So we have a group of 100 students, 30 of which are taking mathematics. We're going to denote that M, that's our event, mathematics, 20 of which are studying computer science, and 10 of which are studying both mathematics and computer science. We're going to denote that with the intersection symbol. So that's M intersection C. Now, suppose a student is selected at random from this group of students. Calculate the probability that the student is taking mathematics or computer science. So that is mathematics or computer science. So that's M union C. That's the symbol there for union. First off, let's compute the probability of M, C and M intersection C. Well, let's start off. We have 30 students out of 100. So the probability of M equals simply 0.3, 20 students out of 100, and the probability of C is therefore 0.2, and probability of M intersection C equals 0.1. Again, that's 10 out of 100. Okay, so what we are asked is to find out the probability of M union C, mathematics or computer science. So M union C. And to do this, what we're going to do is use the addition rule for probability. So I'm just going to clear the screen here for a second. And there we have there. And how we do that is as follows. The probability of M union C equals the probability of M plus the probability of C minus the probability of M intersection C. The reason we do this, we subtract this, is it to stop the people who study both mathematics and computer science getting counted twice. So we have 0.3, that's the probability of maths, plus 0.2, the probability of computer science, minus 0.10, that's the probability of studying both. So we get 0.4. So the probability of a person selected at random studying mathematics or computer science is 0.4. So that's our answer there. And again, this is the addition rule for probability here.